Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, today I'm gonna shoot this real quick video just to address some questions that I've been receiving. Some of the questions that I've been receiving about this $25 cash machine is it a scam? Does it really work? Um, um, how much have I made? Do they really pay? So I'm going to address those concerns, but I'm gonna tell you real quick what the $25 cash machine is. Basically, it's a one-time $25 payment to join, and when you join, you earn 10 guaranteed $25 payments into your PayPal account on autopilot. So basically, when you join, you are put into our team's rotation, and when your email comes up and someone else joins, then you earn the $25 payment. And even on Sundays, one random team member is picked to win all payments for that day. How beautiful is that? So anyway, what else you get? Like I said, you get the 10 guaranteed $25 PayPal payments. You get free marketing software tools. You get the free marketing make money ebooks. You get the training videos. You get the Facebook scripts, and you get some other tools in here. But uh, but that's what you get in the members area when you join. So so I'm going to address a couple of concerns here and actually show you this is my email, and just today I made an affiliate sale, and affiliates make 50% commissions. I make my affiliate sales. I don't talk to anybody because I know a lot of people have problems with, you know, talking to people to try to get them to sell. A lot of people aren't salesmen, or they feel they're not salesmen. So, and I was kind of one of those kind of people. However, the way that I'm making my affiliate sales is basically I'm running free traffic to my sites. So that is I haven't talked to anyone other than answering questions, but trying to convince somebody that this is not a scam, that this, I simply answered their question. So this is my proof right here. Like I said, today I earned an affiliate sale of 11.96. Last week I earned 3 sales. All right. And then in July, when I first started up, I actually made a sale 2 days after I joined, and then made another sale the day after. Actually, I think that might have been those were the same day. My bad. But so I made 2 sales immediately, and that was on the rotation. So this was $25, and the rest of them were. This is I can't open this one up because it has an email address on here. But this is also $25. I'll go ahead and open it up. I'll cover that up. But that's also a $25 payment that I've made. And these other four were basically made simply by running free traffic to my site. So anyway, I hope that cleared up some answers, or cleared up some questions for you, and gave you some answers to let you know, no, this is not a scam. Yes, they pay out, and this is proof right here that they've been paying me out. So anyway, guys, I hope you found some value. If you did, and if you feel like this is for you, go ahead and click my link down below, and let's get you started. And if you use my link down below, let me know. Um, I'll have my social media stuff down there. Just contact me. Let me know you signed up, and I'll show you the way. I'll show you how I've been running my free traffic to my link. If you're the kind of person that don't want to talk to anybody, don't want to try to sell to anybody. But anyway, I'll help you out the best I can. All right, guys. You guys take care.